Magandang maga mga kumpare at mga kumare. Ayan nga pala at libutin natin ang ganda ng Cabanatuan City. Panoorin po ninyo habang nagro-road trip tayo kung ano ba yung maganda sa Cabanatuan City. Pero syempre, makinig din po kayo. Bakit ba Cabanatuan City? Ano ba ang Cabanatuan? Cabanatuan was founded as Barrio of Gapan in 1750. O di ba? Sakop pala to dati ng Gapan hanggang sa nahiwalay and became a municipality and capital of La Provincia de Nueva Ecija in 1780. Cabanatuan is the site of the historical, ang sikat na Plaza Lucero, and the Cabanatuan Cathedral where General Antonio Luna was ambushed on his way to Palanan. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng Cabanatuan? Cabanatuan, however, three are popularly accepted. One is from the Tagalog word kabatuhan, which means a place where there is an abundance of stones. The other is kaban ng tuwa, meaning a chest of happiness. Yun naman pala yun. Uhuy, yun pala ang ibig sabihin ng Kabanatuan. Eto pa, alam nyo ba na ang Kabanatuan ay ang tricycle capital of the Philippines? Bakit? It prides itself as the tricycle capital of the Philippines, and its strategic locations along the Cagayan Valley Road has made the city a major economic, educational, medical, entertainment, and transportation center in Nueva Ecija and nearby provinces in the region such as Aurora and Bulacan. Yun naman pala yun. Yun pala yung ibig sabihin ng Cabanatuan. Sabi na nga ba kaya pala sobrang daming tricycle dito sa Cabanatuan. Ito pala yung tricycle capital of the Philippines. Alam niyo naman ba kung ano naman ang mga sikat na pagkain ng Cabanatuan? When it comes to Filipino delicacies, Cabanatuan has so much to offer. These are bibingka, puto bongbong, biko, palitaw, kutsinta, suman, ginataang bilo-bilo, sapin-sapin, puto, at tupig. The sweetness and softness of this kakanin melt in your mouth and make you crave more. Yan pala yon at nakikita po yan mas kadalasan sa Plaza Lucero. Alam nyo rin po ba na ang Cabanatuan was declared as a highly urbanized city by President Benigno S. Aquino III under Presidential Proclamation No. 418. Alam niyo ba kung kailan? On July 14, 2012. Nakakita na naman ako ng mga tricycle dito sa Cabanatuan. Uhuy! Alam niyo po ba na ang tricycle, the city of Cabanatuan has been dubbed as the tricycle capital of the Philippines. Balikan lang po natin yung kanina because it has about 30,000 registered tricycle as of September. Ito yung 2009, Cabanatuan City. This three-wheeled vehicle is used as a major mode transportation since buses and jeepneys are headed outside the city. Ilan pa yung ngayon? 2009 pa po yun. Kaya pala na-declared siya agad na tricycle capital of the Philippines. Kaya naman pala, uhoy. Pero alam nyo, sobrang laki ng importansya ng mga tricycle Kasi lalo na sa pag malapit yung pupuntahan mo o malayo, buti na lang nandyan talaga kayo. Uhuy! Ay, alam niyo naman po ba kung kailan sinaselebrate ang Cabanatuan City? Tuwing February 3 of every year is hereby declared a special working holiday in the city of Cabanatuan, province of Nueva Ecija in commemoration of its founding anniversary. O diba, sa road trip natin napakadami yung kaalaman na nalalaman. Maliban sa mga puto bongbong, balikan ulit natin. Ano naman ang ibang pang sikat sa Cabanatuan? Alam niyo po ba kung ano? Yung batutay kung tawagin. Alam mo ba yung batutay? Batutay is one of the most selling food in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, longganisa po yun. Purely made from beef with its unique sweet taste that is well known in Cabanatuan City and nearby towns. If you don't prefer your longganisa on the sweet side, you must try the famous Cabanatuan longganisa or tinatawag na garlic longganisa. At syempre, kaya masarap tumira sa Cabanatuan City, it has all the facilities are necessary for the everyday lives of people. It is also known for being nga po na the tricycle capital of the Philippines Dito rin syempre, the weather here ranges from warm to hot which can be felt strongly during March until June. O di ba mga kumparit, mga kumare, kung nakinig kayo, marami kayong matututunan. Basta di ba sabi ko sa inyo, samahan niyo ako sa road trip natin.
Thank you for watching.
Napakadami